Hi guys, Gangstalking Canada. So, oh, sorry guys. We'll see if we get a little neighbor trying to be time with me. So far, so good. Okay, so it's a rainy day. Don't get me wrong. This is gonna be a long day. You see, guys, I like rain, but when you work outside, rain is not as fun. I agree, guys. Like, oh, 1 second, guys. I gotta switch something here. There you go. So, I like rain, but I work outside lately, so I work outside all day. So, we'll see what we're gonna do today. So, as you notice, there's not much action. There's not much action. That's what I like when it rains. We got a red car waiting for us. Right, guys? Got action here, eh? That's what I like when it rains, guys. They look stupid. Especially the Gangstalker walking. They look even more dumb. Because it's pretty obvious. So, you remember, guys, all the people at every intersection? We don't see them much, eh? With this stupid weather. We don't see nobody at the intersection. There's no one. I mean, the car can still do their whatever gang stalking campaign, street theater bullshit. But oh, big truck at the corner, guys. Big truck. You see that? Got a big truck. And then what's up? A pickup. And what's in front? More pickup. Look at that. And a big truck. It's funny because they're going to get accidents. It's obvious. One time I saw 2 cars get into an accident because they were stalking me. But they were so focused on me, and other guy was so focused to cut me and curve in front of me, he got into an accident. So what we got at the corner, right? What they got? Blue truck. And this guy passed, so that means there's probably there's another truck there. Big trucks, wow. Guys, they don't have much people walking, eh? But they got a little campaign going on. A little truck campaign, nothing too big. CRD. I see these trucks everywhere. That's the thing, guys. If you're a TI, it's obvious you're gonna get stalked by the the city workers and whatever you call it. City workers, city contractors, all that shit. First respondent, cops, any people working for the city somehow will stalk your ass. Trust me. It's written in the sky. So guys, I didn't turn right because I gotta stop at Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons. So what do we have? Well, a cutting guy almost got hit hard. A truck. And this guy, he doesn't want to look at the cam. Yeah. I'm gonna go get my shit. So we got a little stalking team there. Yeah. Yeah, I know, that was quick. It's pretty obvious that them two guys are fucking stalkers, eh? So guys, they got a campaign going, eh? Look at all these trash. You saw that truck when I came in, right? Taking all the space and shit. That was pretty obvious. That was pretty goddamn obvious. So now they're gonna create traffic, we all know. Not only they're going to create traffic, but people in the city already have a hard time fucking driving when it rains. Red truck, obviously. Truck. And then a truck, then a cab. Then a truck. Yeah, then a van. Guys, what's the next car? Let's see. What's the next car? A red car. Oh my God, guys. And what's next? A red truck with a big truck. Big trucks. Truck everywhere, guys. Now you're going to tell me that, oh yeah, that's a coincidence. That's why sometimes I like them trolls. They come on your channel and talk so much shit. They're going to be like, yeah, everybody got a truck. Everybody. You know what's funny when I hear some dumb shit like that? I'm like, if everybody got a truck, why don't you have a truck, you dumbass troll? Look at all the redness. Red car there, red car there. It's pretty obvious. It's pretty, oh, and a truck. Everywhere, hey guys. So look how long we're stuck here. Like, it's pretty obvious they're creating traffic. Can't be more obvious than that. Okay, guys, what's the next car who's gonna pass on the other side? Oh, red car. Hey, guys, ain't that fucking obvious? Right, like, I mean, we just guessed. I didn't know. That was a guess. I didn't know, guys. Truck. Van. What's the car at the stop? What do we got? What do we have? A red truck. What's the car there? Red truck. No, it's not a red truck. This is a truck. And then a red truck. And that's the next car coming. A red car. Wow. Guys, this is good footage. Don't get me wrong. And look what's next. The red truck. Like, guys, if you don't agree that there's something going on with pickup trucks at every goddamn intersection. Look at the truck there. What's that? Is that a truck? That's a goddamn truck. And then look what's waiting at the light there. It's a pickup truck. Look, it's coming with us. It's coming. You gotta see it closer. You can tell they all stalkers, same color cars. Look. So guys, it's pretty obvious, right? So guys, you know what? Technically, guys, I don't need a film. I like filming because you just give them a hard time. And you just expose these little bitch ass. The bitch ass motherfuckers. It's just so obvious. Just expose them. So you notice, every time there's an intersection or McDonald's, well, what's coming out of the McDonald's? Look, he's trying to come and scare me, but he almost got an accident with this blue car. You see? He was supposed to come out when I come out. But he wanted to do it so bad, he almost hit that blue car, guys. You saw that. Anyways. So we got an intersection here. No truck? Wow. Wow, guys. This is big deal. We should celebrate. We didn't have no truck. That was an intersection. There was no truck, no red car, nothing. This is like a fucking dream. All right, there you go. The trucks. It's coming back. Hey, tonight. Oh, there you go. The red car at the light. Like, and what's coming next? A red truck. So now the troll's gonna tell me stuff like, yeah, everybody got a truck. And everybody got a red truck. Like, look in front. 2 red trucks. Yeah, everybody got it. Look at the car behind me. The red car. Oh, look, guys, they got the dog walker. Look how stupid they look. Look at that. It's 7:30 in the morning, and it's raining as fuck. Like, you couldn't wait. You see, guys, he couldn't wait. He couldn't wait that, you know, the rain stopped to go walk his dog. He had to go do the Gangstalking street theater. What do we have at the corner? Red car! Woo! So, what's next? Normally, guys, oh, red car at the corner. You saw that? Normally, guys, I say normally because, you know, in a normal life, normally, guys, we should have a biker at the corner, somebody on a bike, or somebody waiting at the light. But since it's raining, they kind of look dumb. They don't like waiting at the corner in the rain, do they? Oh, yeah, we got a bike guy. It's right there. Look at him. Told you, eh? I told you guys, eh? He was right there. I'm good. I know the fucking program, guys. I'm beating this stupid program. Oh, it's so goddamn obvious. Oh, red truck on top. You saw that? The big red truck. So you guys already know, at this place, normally by the time I'm engaged in the highway, to my left, we should see some trucks. So let's see, what's coming? Truck. Next. No truck. Look at this guy. Truck. Like, you gonna tell me? What are you gonna tell me? You gonna tell me I did that on purpose, or I contacted these trucks and I told them, hey guys, I'm coming. Follow me, surround me. It's all set up. No, guys. It's because I know everything. I know the future. I'm a god. I'm godlike. I'm a fucking genius. I know everything. Look. You got a truck there coming out, popping out of the exit there. Got a truck. You know why? Because that's the only thing they got. The traffic is not that bad. Look at the traffic. There's no traffic. There's no traffic at all. So, what was all these cars over there at the Tim Hortons? What was that? That was stupid. It was on, because guys, the only reason they got that big stalking going on at the Tim Hortons, it's because I made my order of Tim Hortons at, it was like 6:40 in the morning. And I chose, like, you know, I order in advance kind of thing and pre-order shit. And I told the app to prepare my food and my coffee for 7:10 or something like that. So obviously they had like 40 minutes to prepare their little Gangstalking. But all they did is create traffic. A little traffic jam there by the Tim Hortons. That's about it. Because now that we're here, now there's no more traffic. I mean, there's cars, obviously, everybody going to work. But not everybody. Some people are already working, eh? Dumbass gang stalkers, they're already working. But as you see, it's pretty flow. Like, it's not like we're bumper to bumper and nobody's advancing. No, man. It's not. Usually on this bridge, they would have somebody walking. But not in this stupid weather. Oh, there's our red truck, guys. Wow, eh? I already know all the spots. I know all the spots they use. Because usually, they would have some dude on the bridge. So since they had nobody, they had the red truck. You see, guys, I'm like a divine spirit. And these guys are little rats. Little garbage. Scumbags. What other English word we can use for these turds? Oh, they got a little traffic. And what's coming? A truck. And a truck. What's next? What's next? A truck. Do we have another truck? No. No, that's too much trucks. That's way too much trucks. Oh, they got a bus at the corner. Wow. Is the bus running? Not in service. Look at that. Not in service. He was saying sorry. I mean, that bus not even running. So he was just there, you know. City workers, guys. They will stalk your ass. Look at that. They got a little red campaign going on here. A little. What's at the corner, guys? Guess. A truck. I mean, I'm just a good guesser. It's not like I'm just lucky. It's funny that I'm lucky. Look, guys, we got more buses not in service. So you see, they need help today. It's raining and they need help. That's why they got the buses. So here we can tell they got a little red campaign, like a little, and they're using buses. Look, not a bus. Let me guess, not in service. Oh, this girl scratching. Oh my God, they look stupid. Look at this fat girl. Oh my Lord. Lord. Oh, this guy, guys, we see him every day. I think he's going to work, right? Because he's not stalking. Because think about it, guys. We see him every day in this area. He never got red. He never got blue. But she's a stalker. You can tell. Look at her. Look at her red bag, and she looks stupid. He's not. It's that easy, guys. So, guys, we're going to play a little game. You see how this guy was at the corner? I was supposed to be behind that car. He's a stalker, that big time. He was at the corner here, right? Because I was supposed to be right behind the car. I wasn't supposed to drive that slow, right? That's why sometimes I go slow, guys. Because they look so stupid. And then they're trying to match the timing, but they can't. Because they think I'm going to follow just the traffic, right? I'm going to follow the speed of the traffic. But then I don't. What is this? What do we have at the corner, guys? Do we have a truck? Where the truck at? Ah, there it is. There it is. Big truck. Okay, guys. You remember at this corner, right? This curve, the truck curve. Hey, guys. So how many trucks they got for this curve? 1, 2, 3 so far. But remember, they're going to try to synchronize when I'm in the curve to have another truck. Usually. So what they got? Oh, look, they're using cabs. How many times I told you they use cabs when they don't have enough assets? When they're submerged, when you beat the program the way I beat the program, they're fucked. They need to use cabs. Guess the color of the car behind me, guys. Guess. Red. Hey? Yeah, I know. Oh, the red car. Look at him. It's pretty obvious, eh? Now he's trying to turn left. Because he was trying to, yeah, we got you. A little biker, obviously. It's pretty obvious. They always have somebody by the bus stop. Always. Look at this stalker. This is obvious, guys. This is too much. You see? They always need some kind of disabled bitch. But it's complicated when it's raining like this, right, guys? So, since it's raining like crazy, they all look stupid. Look at that lady at the corner. Look at it. Let's look at it. Oh, you saw that red truck turning, eh? Got a truck at the corner and a red truck leaving. Because remember, guys, you see the van in front of me? I'm supposed to be at the van. So you see that guy made a little move. That guy in blue, he made a little move. You want us to see his red truck. Yeah, red bag with a red car. Pretty obvious. Pretty obvious. Guys, we got some good footage today, eh? Oh my God, this corner. We love this corner, eh, guys? Okay. This is the corner of Eskimo Road and Lamson. Look at that. We got a fucking truck. What else? Truck. Oh yeah, motorcycle, obviously. Truck. Like, it's pretty obvious. Red car, blue car. Little campaign. So what we got at the corner, guys? Big truck. You see that big truck? You see that big truck? And they got a little lady flashing her lights. Pretty obvious. This guy at the corner, obviously with a truck. It's pretty obvious. The timing is pretty obvious. Okay, guys, you're going to tell me that at this stop, we're going to see a truck? No. I don't believe you. I don't believe that. Because now they did their little campaign. They're done. They're done with their little campaign. They did their best. So what we got here? A little kid scratching. He's in red. Pretty obvious. Pretty obvious. But this lady, she's gonna scratch. Look. You don't have much. You don't have shit other than that big truck in the back there. You guys can't see it? Oh, we can't see shit anymore. So that's the last corner. There's two corners technically. This one and then I turn right. I turn left, then I turn right. So let's see what they got. Nothing. Oh my. Oh, you saw that truck turning there. Hey guys, you saw it. You see, because this corner is pretty obvious. I come here at the same time every day. So they're trying to hide. Now they got a car, one lighter. Look at this guy. It's pretty obvious that he's a stalker, eh? So guys, they were waiting for the last curve. Look at that. They look stupid. Just to put people in my path, we gotta go in the rain. They look so dumb. Oh, what do we have here? A truck. Oh yeah, he has to fucking go back when I arrive, right? Esquimalt. What is that? Esquimalt. Fucking bitches. I told you about the city trucks. So guys, I'm gonna arrive at work. I'm gonna work hard. And I'm gonna earn my money. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And you can share this video too. And if you didn't get it, just go back to the start and count how many fucking trucks you saw. There's only trucks and red cars, nothing else. Anyway, peace out.